Hey everyone! Today I'm diving into something that's revolutionizing the world of business administration, the power of AI, particularly through an application called ENMITA. Imagine this, your entire administrative workflow, streamlined and powered by artificial intelligence, that's right. From scheduling meetings to handling your paperwork, AI is stepping in to make things easier, faster, and way more efficient. Now I'm sure you're wondering, how exactly does this work? Well, ENMITA uses advanced algorithms to learn from your daily operations. It adapts and anticipates the needs of your business, automating tasks like data entry, appointment scheduling, and even managing emails. The result? You spend less time on routine tasks and more time focusing on what really matters, growing your business. But it's not just about saving time, it's about accuracy. AI reduces human error, meaning the work done is precise every single time. Plus, it provides insights based on data trends that you might not notice. This could be a game changer in making strategic decisions that propel your business forward. And let's talk scalability. As your business grows, ENMITA grows with you. No need to hire more staff for administrative tasks. This AI system scales its capabilities according to your needs, ensuring that you're always covered, no matter the size of your workload. So, what's the catch? Honestly, the biggest challenge might just be adapting to this new technological helper. Integrating AI into your business requires a shift in mindset and perhaps a bit of a learning curve. But once you're past that, the benefits are undeniable. In conclusion, AI, like ENMITA, isn't just a tool. It's a future-proof partner in your business's journey. It's about working smarter, not harder. And in this fast-paced world, that's a necessity. So, if you're ready to take your business to the next level, AI might just be the stepping stone you need. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one, where we'll explore more technologies transforming our everyday lives. Stay tuned.